Note that we could make our code or recording macros and creating them even without opening any documents. But note that if I choose the record macro, the only macro store place recording it is the normal document template. Even if I bring the template document here, enable that OK, it's still only it is storing there, which we don't want that. So in this case, always for your making own practice or code, right click and open your template and then start recording. Another thing you might get confused is if I go to developer, record macro, and make sure you're storing on your document template you made. Okay, let's create a new document, file, new document, and let's say that's fine. If I go to developer and stop recording and click on the macro, there is no macros here except the, of course, default word macros. So what's going on here? Note that this macro it is not made inside of this template. If you remember, we made on our template. So this is new document. You have to close this and there it is. This is my document template. And if I go to macros, there it is. This is my macro, edit, and the command here it is. So do not confuse. We start opening our template and start recording. Because I made a new document, it wasn't stored inside of that new document. Because it was template and we made new document.